Introducing Ticon's ST-25 smartwatch for the modern world. The ST-25 is a trendy, functional smartwatch with features that make it perfect for anyone who wants to balance their busy life. The ST-25 also boasts an intuitive interface that makes it simple to navigate your day while still allowing you to enjoy your favorite music without taking out your phone. With our new watch, you can do it all without taking a break. It comes with the call, password lock, multiple sports mode, and play games on your wrist with your fingertips. And it's waterproof IP67. You won't have to worry about getting caught in the rain or snow. It also has a split-screen display and 2 menu styles. Choose the one that works best for you. With the ST-25 smartwatch, you can keep track of your heart rate, get weather reports, and monitor your sleep with the industry's lowest power calling watch. If you're looking for a way to stay connected without losing track of where you are or what time it is, look no further than the ST-25 from Ticon.